Good afternoon, I am back for a top tip. I want to talk to you today about pins versus clip. We use quilting clips here in the studio for pretty much everything. When my students come in, they often ask me, Claire, why do you use clips over and above more traditional pins? The answer's simple, they're much easier. It always amazes me how many people are all fingers and thumbs when it comes to putting pins into their work, yet using a clip is far simpler. So as a rule of thumb, I will use a clip for everything that I possibly can, and if I can't use a clip for whatever reason, then I would use a pin. And here's why I would use pins. These tiny little dressmakers pins, really handy when you're trying to pin in a zip. I also use these when I make Roman blinds because these are glass-headed pins and they can be warmed up and heated, so you can use them to press creases into your work. That's another tip and tutorial for another day. Super large pins like these are really handy if you're doing a small piece of quilting and you really want to sandwich together all of your layers. The other reason I might use a little teeny tiny pin is if I want to get a patchwork point just absolutely perfectly joined up. But other than that, clips all the way. Now, when they first came out, these clips were expensive. They'd come in packs like this. We do still sell these in the studio here, but they are £6 a pack, so that is quite a lot of money. However, now you can buy clips in bulk. I have big tubs of them in my studio, and you can buy those from Amazon in large quantities for a very small amount of money. I'll pop a link down below for my favourite types of clips from Amazon. So that's why I use clips over pins, purely down to ease. They are fantastic, they are quick, they are easy to use, and much, much simpler than pins. But don't disregard pins altogether. There are times when they come in really useful.